So here we go. Find a new game to play. And I have a personal connection with this. It is Joker's Wild, Snoop Dogg, which is the last movie I worked on. I was the production sustainability representative for Underdoggs.
Thanks for playing the Joker's
At this time, it's an upcoming movie starring Snoop Dogg. I think it comes out in October. So hopefully he's good to me. I mean, he was good to me on the set. See how he does here.
Pull that thing and do what you do. Get to stacking.
Still a good boss.
You can't be winning if you ain't spinning.
He's being pretty good to me. Can't complain. Oh. I only get those $5. I guess Snoop Dogs don't line up. Alright, we'll try $1. That just made my money go faster. Alright, Snoop. Thanks for the fun.